definitions cannot be fully deleted from Zenventory since they may be referenced in past purchase orders, customer orders, and historical data in reports. Instead, the item can be deactivated if the SKU is no longer in use. Start by removing any on-hand stock quantity from the item using either an inventory adjustment or a quick issue by clicking on Inventory and then clicking the list icon on the left of the item whose stock levels you want to change. Select Update this item's stock levels. Bring the stock level to 0 and then click OK to save your changes. Navigate to the Admin section and click Items. Begin editing the item by clicking the pencil icon to the left of it. Next, uncheck the box for Active in the list of attributes. This will remove it from view from all other areas of the application and essentially makes it invisible and unavailable. Be sure to save the item once complete to lock in these changes. Thank you for watching our video on deleting or deactivating an item from the catalog.